the most unbelievable nature videos ever.
These are the most unbelievable nature videos ever. I spent the last few weeks looking across the internet for the most unbelievable nature videos that I could find. I looked for videos on YouTube, Instagram, Reddit, and put all the best ones in one video right here. So I hope you enjoy.
God, volcanoes scare the shit. Ah! Wait, what the fuck? Is that normal? How did that happen? What is volcanic lightning? Is that a normal phenomenon?
Bro,
Did it happen?
Are you kidding me right now?
I would not be that close to this fucking tornado, bro. Guys, like, what the fuck? Are you insane?
Uh-oh.
Oh, the ocean! The ocean! Holy shit!
Oh no! Oh.
What the fuck? That's real?
Someone found a crazy...
That little wall isn't gonna block out the ocean? Oh my god, that house!
Oh, no.
Isn't that an apartment place? Oh my god.
Someone found a crazy cube-shaped cloud in the UK.
Oh my god, it looks like a loaf of bread.
Man, you see?
Whoa.
Yeah, you see up there?
Ooh.
Oh,
Whoa! Lightning! Wait, that's the craziest lightning I've ever seen.
yeah, you see up there, honey? We're getting really close now. Oh my!
This is what it looks like when an iceberg flips over.
What the fuck? Wait, that mountain, the mountain behind it is so bare. It doesn't have any snow on it. Is that normal? Is that normal? I thought, like, if there's icebergs, there will be snow at the top of the mountains.
This super strange event happened in India, where the ground started suddenly
Global warming? Uh-oh.
rising up. It's thought to have happened due to heavy rainfall creating pressure in the ground.
ये देखो भाई नया तजुर्बा जमीन का अपना नया तजुर्बा मेरा भाई
What the fuck?
देख बार जब पीछे हो ले कहीं तो भाई
The fog clears out so fast as soon as they get to the other side of this mountain.
Taco water.
Whoa,
Whoa, they drove out of the fog. Whoa! Ah!
This is the most intense hail I've ever seen.
Oh my god, actual ice chunks! Ice chunks falling! The ice
This
chunks!
is a really cool phenomenon where the ice on frozen lakes can make crazy noises as it thaws.
Is that real?
This is called a sundawn.
Whoa. It sounds like lasers. Oh my god, that's so cool.
This is called a sundog, but it's a very rare type of sundog because it is so low to the ground. The light reflecting off falling snow made what looks like a portal to another dimension.
I'm gonna go through it! I'm gonna walk through it! I'm going into the portal! I'm telling you guys, bro, the ice walls are coming down. We're soon gonna be able to go to the other biomes. Soon we'll be able to go.
This giant
other
river
biomes.
of lava totally shut down this road in Hawaii.
Oh my god, lava! We're going
This
to
guy
the
pulled
lava
his car
biome.
out of his house just for his house to be destroyed seconds later.
What? Oh no! Whoa.
That's right.
What the fuck? Chat, the ice walls!
This diver
The
found
ice
a
wall! The ice wall! The ice wall's coming down!
That's right.
This diver found an underwater portal to another world.
Whoa. The ocean biome. Go in it. I swear to
This
Jesus,
person was out
mouse.
sailing near the Pacific Ocean when suddenly their boat was surrounded by rocks. These
What?
floating rocks turned out to be pumice as a result of an underwater volcanic eruption.
Pumice? So much rock. Rock biome. Whoa. That looks dangerous. Wait, pumice? Exfoliation. Let me jump in. I'll get exfoliation. Exfoliate.
What the hell is that?
What the?
This is a phenomenon known as a crown flash. A crown flash occurs when electrical charges cause ice crystals to suddenly shift. This is a phenomenon known
That's
as
the light
a crown
biome.
flash. A crown flash occurs
That's
when
behind the
electrical
ice
charges
wall.
cause ice crystals to suddenly shift.
They're sending signals to us. Ah! Oh my god!
Back in 2011, the Japanese Coast Guard captured the moment that they went over a giant tsunami.
Oh god! Holy shit! Oh, my stomach!
These trees were completely swallowed up by a huge sinkhole.
Goodbye. Goodbye. Goodbye, trees.
Go on all in.
Goodbye. Oh god. What if we get sucked in?
This is the Cave of Death in Costa Rica. The carbon dioxide levels are so high that they immediately extinguish any flame that comes inside. The wind blow in the sand.
What?
Any flame that comes inside.
Holy shit! That's scary!
The wind blow in the sand looks like something from a movie.
Like, what if, like, somebody who doesn't know anything, they're like, oh, let me go in that cave.
Extinguish
How do
any
they-
flame that comes inside.
Instant death.
The wind blow in the sand looks like something from a movie.
Whoa. Oh my god, exfoliation again. What if you just stand in it naked? You get exfoliated.
These tourists at
From the
Yellowstone
sand.
National Park witnessed a huge hypothermal explosion.
Whoa. I mean, I don't know why you didn't run to begin with. Why did it take you all that time to run?
These people in Norway captured the most incredible aurora borealis.
Ooh.
Dick.
Guys, the ice wall. The ice wall.
Wow.
They're sending signals to us. The ice wall is gonna come down.
Ich muss ja fast zugeben, dass so stark, glaube ich, habe ich die fast noch nie gesehen.
This guy found
Look at that. Whoa.
These people in Norway captured the most incredible aurora borealis.
Wow. Dick.
Well, that's crazy. That's a crazier aurora borealo.
Wow. ist ja faszinierend.
Whoa, wait!
Wow.
Look at it moving! It does like the little waves. The little waves is moving. Ooh.
Wow.
I want to see that in person one day.
Das ist so stark, glaube
We're
ich,
gonna get new biomes. Yeah, we're gonna be
This
able to
guy
go to the
found
new
a really
biomes.
low rainbow.
Low rainbow! Oh my god!
This giant rain bomb dropped millions of liters of water over Nevada.
Wait, that's Rainbow Road.
This giant rain bomb dropped millions of liters of water over Nevada within just a few seconds.
What the fuck? Oh my god. The sky is crying. That's a lot of fucking water. What the fuck? What the? Is that a tornado in a tornado? What the heck?
These people saw something huge moving in the water in Norway.
Yeah, the tornado gave birth. Whoa.
The California wildfires in 2017
Shark.
created this crazy visual of people driving to work in the morning. These bugs were spotted creating swarms directly over the road markings.
What the
Road
fuck?
markings.
Why over the road marking? What causes this phenomenon?
These are called Kelvin Helmholtz. These bugs were spotted creating swarms directly over the road markings.
Explain.
These are called Kelvin
wonder why.
Helmholtz clouds, and they occur when a difference in wind speed and direction pushes clouds into these wave-like shapes.
Well, I just have to say the ice wall is evidently clearly coming down. Why is that tree breathing?
This crazy halo
What the fuck?
You're hoping?
This crazy halo cloud was spotted
You're
in
hoping?
Japan.
That's a portal! It's a portal!
This tornado decided to spawn its own baby tornado.
Oh my god, another tornado giving birth. Uh-oh. Jesus! Ah!
Look at this crazy cloud.
That's the ice wall.
It's such a crazy cloud.
These people captured the moment a lightning strike caused the whole city's power to go out.
Lola, did you get it?
Oh!
Oh, whoa.
Blackout.
This guy in New York
Whoa.
found an upside-down rainbow.
Oh, smile bow.
It's getting bigger. Like every 20 seconds it grows.
This is called a
growing.
green flash, and it's a very rare moment when the sun creates a burst of green light during sunset. This can only happen when atmospheric conditions are absolutely perfect.
Whoa, green!
Are absolutely burst
Whoa.
of green light during sunset. This can only happen when atmospheric conditions are absolutely perfect.
Oh my god, Green Lantern. Tornado! Ew! No! No! Ew! No! Ew! Ew!
They were walking on the beach.
Don't watching that. Get it. Don't go in the water, bros. Don't do it.
They were walking on the beach when the ice started coming after them.
Uh-oh. Oh, God. It's coming for us. The ice wall. The ice wall comes for us all. The ice wall's getting bigger.
This incredible starling migration was spotted in Wales.
Whales. Oh my god. Great, a ball of birds. Just what I need, a ball of birds. What the fuck? Rock.
This photographer had to pull over to capture this incredible tornado.
Whoa. It's like nature's penis.
These guys saw that their boat was being chased by killer whales.
Ah!
This is how quickly an avalanche can move down a mountain.
Whoa. Oh my god, how can you survive?
Oh,
That's
dear.
terrifying. Run! It's coming! Ah!
They were chopping down this dying tree when it started gushing out water. This tree had a very specific type of internal rotting that allowed it to store water in an unusual way.
Ew, it's pooping! It's doing caca!
The water level in this harbor completely changes throughout the day as the tides change.
Whoa. What the fuck? That's a big change! What the hell? Whoa! Oil sky. The oil sky biome. Why are we
For
Breaking
some
Bad
reason, all the
filter?
rain fell in this one area. These people
Whoa.
witnessed a huge ice drift on this river in Russia.
Oh my god! So much! So much!
Look at that! Oh,
Holy! Oh my god.
Oh.
oh guys, we're gonna get some. Whoa!
Ah!
Get out of here!
Run!
Back it up! Back it up! Back it up! Back it up! Back it up!
He's like, I can't!
This is a super rare type of lightning called a red sprite. They occur at a higher altitude to regular lightning, which is why it looks so unique.
Whoa, blood lightning. Those are the veins of the planet. Blood lightning.
This person was traveling in the North Sea when they noticed that they were able to see day and night at the same time.
What the fuck? It is day and night. Whoa!
A tornado spawned right next to this erupting volcano.
I didn't think it was possible. Lava-nado. Oh god. Oh god. Volcano tornado. Ah! Oh my. What the fuck? Tentacle.
This super long roll cloud was spotted a few years ago in Virginia.
Whoa, that's the longest cloud I've ever seen. It looks like a joint.
This super long roll cloud was spotted a few years ago in Virginia.
It's a long joint. Uh-oh. Run! Ah!
This is called a parhelion illusion. A cloud will make it look like that there are 6 or 7 suns.
Whoa.
These 2 videos were recorded in Las Vegas and China, showing off the effect.
No, that just means Mortal Kombat is starting. That just
These
means
huge
Mortal
waves
Kombat
were
is
captured
starting.
hitting this ferry back in 2022.
Ah! Run!
This meteor over Japan was so bright that it turned the night into day.
Whoa!
These people found a glitch in the Matrix.
How do you explain this? How do you explain the seam? The seam in the world? How do you explain the seam in the world now? Explain it. Explain the seam. The simulation has been glitched.
This iceberg floated right past this village in Greenland.
Whoa. Big fat iceberg.
This person spotted a crazy light pillar in Virginia.
So the sunlight goes up and then beams it back down at us like little mirrors. So
No! Stop swimming in that shit! Stop it!
That is
Stop!
so good. Where is he?
These people walking through a desert in China experienced some extreme natural static electricity.
Whoa.
这啥现象？库木塔格沙漠啊，8月15日。看这个现象。
So
Guys.
I guess fog boat.
Is that bad?
塔格沙漠啊。
Is that bad? Is that really bad? Yes? Uh-oh.
8月15日。看这个现象。
So I guess fog bows are a thing, as this one was spotted in Kentucky a few years ago.
A fog bow? Whoa, it is a fog bow.
This
That's
is
a
what it looks like
portal.
when 64,000 turtles come in to nest on one island.
What the fuck? Holy shit, turtle time. Look at that, look at all the turtles.
Whoa! Whoa! ¡Súbanos, súbanos!
Ay, Dios mío.
This is what the shadow of a tree looks like during a solar eclipse. This is a perfect Fata Morgana, which is an illusion where it looks like boats off in the distance are floating in the air. It's basically a mirage that is happening on the ocean instead of the desert.
Whoa. What the
This
fuck?
crazy storm was captured at an airport in China.
Don't say it. I'm gonna say it. I'm gonna say it.
In 2022, there was a volcanic eruption so huge that it could actually be seen from space.
Whoa. it from space!
That's rapid. Oh my god.
Why is it going so fast?
I had no idea that tornadoes could move this fast.
Oh my god, another burst! Another
These
burst!
strange clouds appeared in Spain right after a huge flood, and no one really knows why.
I'm gonna call it the upside down. It's happening. Guys! Guys, it's happening! The blood clouds! Yeah. Oh my god! There's so much of it! Would you eat it? I wouldn't. Don't eat that.
Oh my god, I can't believe I actually got it.
Watch these walls. Oh my god, bro.
Whoa!
What?
These people got
The
to witness.
reflection is so cool!
Watch these walls. Oh my god, bro. What?
These people got to witness a full solar eclipse from an airplane.
Whoa! That's so cool. Elden Ring.
This is called a broken specter, and it's a rainbow that is created when the sun is directly behind someone during foggy conditions.
Get this.
Whoa!
Look
It's
at-
like
Look at that rainbow. That's so cool.
my mom would see that and say Jesus.
Wow.
These scientists flew their plane into the eye of the storm, and the wall is absolutely massive.
Whoa! What the fuck? Elden Ring.
This guy found the exact place where this underwater spring starts.
That's the wall. The new biome.
It's underwater.
Child, we're going to the new biome finally. The new biome is coming.
This guy found the exact place where this underwater spring starts.
Whoa. That's cute. Oh my god! Ice and rainbow!
This person caught a super bright meteor on their dash cam.
Oh, that's pretty. It's going so slow.
This is a super rare eclipse sunrise, which makes the sun look like devil horns rising up from the ocean.
That's me coming out of the ocean.
This person was walking through a park when they in the ocean. Rare eclipse sunrise, which makes the sun look like devil horns rising up from the ocean.
And look, that's me. See? That's me.
This person was walking through a park when they saw that this wave of cotton balls was on fire.
What is this?
This is called a moonbow, which is a rainbow created by moonlight instead of sunlight.
A moonbow? It's so pretty.
One of my subscribers was walking outside in Canada when it was foggy during a sunset. As a result, everything turned pink.
It's Pink World. I have to move to Canada! That's it. I'm moving to Canada.
Pink fog.
That's my biome.
A drone captured these curious whales checking out this boat.
That's scary. Oh my god, what the fuck? Whoa, that looks like... What?
These pilots
I don't even know
what
what the fuck am I looking at?
These pilots had to take out their phone to record this incredible St. Elmo's fire that showed up at their windows.
What? Elmo?
A few years ago, this meteor was spotted flying right over this concert in Portugal.
Elmo? Whoa! That's crazy. Everybody there must have been like, oh my god, it was fake.
I'm just doing
it was
content video
fake.
here, too.
Wait, what the fuck? The
We
tree's
didn't
on
have
fire.
storms today, were we?
Inside.
That is incredible.
This diver discovered a turtle that looks like it knows all the secrets of the universe.
What the heck? That turtle looks like a Muppet. What kind of turtle is this? Can he even see? His eyes. Bro, that turtle looks like he's 10,000 years old.
This pilot recorded a video of some super rare blue jet lightning.
Whoa!
A few years ago, this crazy rainbow cloud was spotted in China.
That's not a cloud, that's a portal.
This village in Russia got completely covered in ash from a nearby volcano.
Oh god.
Отряд выехал на
Great
проверку
snow.
дороги. Включилась Камчатск.
These divers experienced an earthquake while they were underwater.
Oh my god.
This is called hair ice, and it's formed due to the chemicals released by certain types of fungi.
With a predicted high of about 39 degrees Fahrenheit today, these delicate ice structures will be disappearing here in just a few hours.
It does
Put
look
your
like
finger on
hair.
it,
Oh my god, it's gone. It's
see it melt away.
Whoa.
The wind was so strong that it pushed this waterfall in an opposite direction.
It's not waterfall anymore, it's water up.
This giant cloud rolled in and ruined their beach day.
Water rise. I'm gonna say it! I'm gonna say
This
it.
person spotted a perfectly straight rainbow.
Whoa. That's where the sword is located. Whoa.
These people found a mud volcano in Malaysia.
Mud volcano?
This is what it looks like to fly past a giant thunderstorm in a plane. That is the end of this video. My goal with this video wasn't really to scare you or shock you, but rather fill you with awe and wonder to really appreciate just how immense and
I didn't get
I guess
scared.
beautiful nature really is. And yeah.
I didn't get scared.
Hopefully enjoyed, and I'll see you very, very soon. Later.
I didn't get scared. I wasn't scared.